Imagine waking up tomorrow, grabbing your phone and realizing nothing loads. You try opening your browser, WhatsApp, YouTube, but everything is offline. It's not the Wi-Fi, it's not your carrier, it's the entire world. The internet has gone down and it's not coming back. Not for a day, not for a week, but for a whole year. In the first few minutes, chaos begins. Millions of unsent messages, blocked transactions, companies freezing completely. Banks, hospitals, markets, and governments depend on the internet to function. Airplanes stay grounded, stock markets crash, cards stop working, and physical money becomes valuable again. Without social media, nobody knows what's happening. There's no Google to search, no GPS to navigate, no news arriving, rumors spread and fear grows. Communication becomes slow and almost prehistoric. Influencers disappear from the map, digital businesses vanish, essential services collapse. But something curious happens at the same time. The streets begin to fill again, people start talking face to face, children play outside, cafes and squares are full of life. Society is reborn as if time had turned back. With a year offline, the world would be forced to reinvent itself. New technologies would rise to replace what was lost, and maybe a new, safer, and decentralized internet would appear. Human creativity explodes under pressure, and this time would be no different. The question is, could humanity survive without its biggest addiction? Could you endure a whole year without internet, or would you lose your mind on the first day? Comment below, subscribe to the channel, and leave a like. I want to know how long you'd last disconnected from the world.